put out a poll on my community tab to ask which one of these boxes I should open next. Some of them, basically all of them, I already know what's inside, so it's not a huge surprise to me. It's just I need to figure out which one to open first. So the poll result was that I should randomly pick one. And so I have a D8 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it lands on an 8, I am just gonna pick one. So let me go ahead and roll. It is a 5. So we're gonna do this one. Number 5 is Scrawlrbox. It's March 2023. Okay, Scrawlrbox, March 2023. This is not a new box, so I already know what's in it. And I'm gonna go through this very quickly. I don't have a cat with me. We have a candy. This is probably why he's not interested, because it's not a fun candy. Is it? Come here. Come here. Yeah, he's not interested in this one. Nope. Never mind. Here he is. All right, here, baby. It's my candy lover cat. Okay. Copic Chow markers. It is a straight liner 0.8 pigment liner, a pencil, 2H. We have the candy right here. Our prompt is feminine energy, and then we have, I think I'm just gonna go very fast with this. Bristol board sketch tile. And that is what's in the box. So I'm not gonna waste that much time. I'm gonna do a quick swatching and then move right ahead into the artwork.
People are nice, but it's only for the tips. The weather's fine, but it's nothing I would miss. My only friends are the ones I left behind. Wish I could see them just for a moment, 'cause I don't know anybody here, it's awfully lonely. I smile, but they just stare, and I see misery everywhere, it's getting to me. I cry, but they don't care. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way too loud. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean,
the fine liner, it smudges, so it's a little difficult to work with, but I tried to use that to my benefit here and here and here to make a darker color. I think it turned out all right. Yeah, I didn't really feel the prompt, the whole feminine energy thing. Just wasn't feeling it. These Copic markers are nice. I'm not a huge marker fan, but they're very forgiving. They blend really well and all that. Pencil's good. This not so good. The paper's very nice also. No complaints about the paper. So anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.